What is up, guys? Welcome to another day in the vlog. Today it is raining, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my Meguiars wash and wax review. I've had it on for about a month and I just want to show you how it works out in the rain. As you guys can tell, when you kind of accelerate, water literally just beads right off of the hood. It doesn't stay collected on, and it just absolutely scared me. Oh man, that scared me. All right, so as I was saying, it's super nice because it actually cleans the car. The car was sitting while I was out on my vacation with my family. We went river rafting. Car got super filthy and dirty, and literally this is the reason why I put on their wash and wax, is because literally the water just beads off the car. So like, you just accelerate a little bit and it beads right off the car. Like, it's the most nicest thing in the world because, you know, I just got back from my vacation. I don't want to wash the car. I want to just kind of relax, and it literally happened yesterday, and then it just rains. Boom. It's like a brand new car wash. Like, honestly, like it's the nicest thing in the world because you never have to wash your car again. It really makes the whole experience of Meguiars way better, and that's why I choose Meguiars, and that's why I go to them every single freaking time, because they're literally my go-to, guys. It's like nothing else like really compares almost. It's super easy to like apply it. It's super easy to clean up after it. It doesn't seem like there's any long-term lasting effects. Like, I've seen nothing but getting better paint quality. Still don't have the swirls in my paint because I've been using microfibers every single time. It really makes the whole car experience that much better because it shows that you take care of your car. The more you take care of your car, if you want to have it for long periods of time, then you know it's really good for you. But the other people, if they just want to keep cycling through, it ups your resale value, and so you won't lose as much money when you go to resell it. I'm tired. All right, guys, I hope you guys liked today's video. Please make sure to check out the Meguiars video where I actually show you how to apply all of these products to the car, and I apply it to the Alfa Romeo in more detail. And without further ado, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. And with nothing left to say, guys, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.